Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, including yesterday on Tuesday. So that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And the main level to focus on here is that green line. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watch the past videos. But I talked about 39 cents quite a bit in Tuesday's video. And surprise, surprise, the power of charts has shown up. You can see that price spent essentially the entire afternoon just cruising right above that level. So like I said, going into today, 39 cents was an ideal level of support. So good to see that that level did indeed act as support. But given that the price is right at that area, I'm not saying that it's going to fail, but in the event the price does push to the downside, I do want to get one more area, or the next area of support, mapped out. And that would be down here at this previous breakout point, right around 35 cents. So again, 39 cents is the level of support, and it's holding that support, which is great. But in the event that doesn't hold up, then the next key overarching support would be down there at 35. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, you still do have this overall level up here, but given it's not really relevant right now, given the pullback, I'm just going to go ahead and use this red line for a near-term area. That way I don't, cause clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clear as possible. But more so now in the near term, 44 cents has made itself pretty apparent as that area of resistance. You can see right there was a high where the price tried to get up above it and failed. And then this morning during the first 30 minutes, that was also right where the price ultimately got rejected from. So keep an eye on 44 cents and more so the near term. And after that, you can start to focus on those other levels. But one hurdle at a time, and that first near-term hurdle is at 44 cents. So overall, as far as the big picture trend is concerned, everything is still perfectly fine. Still plenty of opportunity to chip away and build that higher base. But as far as some of the nearer term levels are concerned, that is where these levels are coming into play. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.